Hello students, this is Dr. Ranjini, Assistant Professor in Biotechnology. Welcome to e-learning sessions in genetics. Today in this session we learn about supplementary gene interactions. Supplementary genes are two independent non-allelic pairs of dominant genes which interact in such a way that one dominant gene will produce its effect whether the other gene is present or not. But the second gene can produce its effect only in the presence of first gene. The coat color in mice is due to interaction of two supplementary genes. There are varieties of coat color in mice. One variety is black, the another variety is albino. Let's designate C, capital C for black color and capital A for albino or white color. There is another variety that is called grey. So in this variety the hair is black at the base, yellow in the middle and again black at the tip, totally giving grey color. The black is dominant over albino. Black is dominant over albino. When both capital C and capital A are there, either in homozygous dominant or heterozygous dominant condition, they produces the new variety that is agouti or grey color. Alone C, it will produce only black. In the absence of C, when A is there, capital A is there, it will produce albino. So in combination, when A is present in combination with capital C, it produces grey or agouti. But when C is there, it will produce the black color. But A in absence of C produces only white or albino. When the black coated mice was bred with albino coated or white coated mice, they produces agouti in F1 generation. Agouti or the grey coated mice in F1 generation. When F1 mice were selfed, they result in the agouti, black and albino in the ratio of 9:3:4 in F2 generation. When agouti mice or F1 mice was bred with another F1 mice, they produces the gametes like capital C, capital A, capital C, small c, capital A, small c, small a in 25% ratio each. So 25% of the gametes will carry C and A in dominant condition. Another 25% of the gametes will carry the capital C and small a. Another 25% will have small c, capital A. Another 25% will have small c, small a. So if you write the fusion of gametes on the checkerboard, you will get grey and black and white in the ratio of 9:3:4. In 9 mice, we will have both capital C either in homozygous dominant condition or capital A in homozygous dominant condition or heterozygous dominant condition. C and A will be there either in homozygous or heterozygous dominant condition. Both the factors, dominant factors are there. That's why you get the grey color. Whereas in three mice, this is the one and one more here and one more here. Here you get the black coated mice because the capital C is there either in homozygous dominant condition or in heterozygous dominant condition. That's why we are getting black coated mice. But in rest of the four, out of 4, you have the 3 mice where they have the capital A without capital C either in homozygous dominant or heterozygous dominant condition. That's why we are getting white. So this A cannot produce the color in the absence of C. Since there is no C, it is producing white color. But in the last one, you have small cc, small a, where there is no black coating gene and also A. That's why we get white coated mice. So at the end in the F2 generation you get 9 grey, 3 black and 4 white. That is in the ratio of 9:3:4. So this is the supplementary gene interaction. So the black mice is always homozygous. When it is there in homozygous dominant or heterozygous dominant condition, it will produce the black. When A in combination with capital C, either in homozygous condition dominant or heterozygous dominant condition, it will produce grey. And the absence of capital C and presence of capital A, either in homozygous dominant or heterozygous dominant condition, they produces white. So this is an example for supplementary gene interaction. I hope you understood this gene interaction. So in gene interaction you learnt about complementary gene interaction, supplementary gene interaction and epistasis. I hope you understood this session. Thank you.